Hey, it's Crystal with the Traveling Addict. Today I am at Fred G. Bond Park. It's in Cary, North Carolina. Pretty heavily populated park. I took a little side trail, got off the main part. I'm working on the Paw Paw trail, but again I took the side because there's just so many people on the pavement, and you know I don't like the paved trails anyway. I like to get out in the woods. So I found a little side trail, gonna see where it goes. I'll hook up on the Paw Paw trail and take these side trails when I can. I wanted to show you my camera. I had a video out, I'll post it here, when I broke my camera. So I want to show you my new camera and let you know how it's going. So my new camera is an EOS 7D. I took the Rebel SL2 in to get it repaired, and they said that it would cost more to get it repaired than to buy this one. I bought this as a refurbished and used EOS 7D, and so far it's turned out pretty well. I have my macro lens on here. I've always enjoyed my macro lens so I could get up close and personal. I'm gonna try it out, gonna learn how to use all these buttons. I'll let you know how this goes and let you know what I think about it. All right, I found the Paw Paw trail and the Pinecone trail. One thing about the Paw Paw trail, it's in the woods, it's shaded, and I haven't seen very many people at all. Nobody's been around me. Some people have passed me running, but it's a great place to be if you want to be away from crowds and be in the shade, because it is a hot, sunny day. Somebody put a rock in there. Be a great place for a geocache. So people ask me how I broke the camera. I had it in the backpack. The camera with the lens on it was so big that it stuck out the back of my backpack. So I just zipped it up to both ends as far as they would go. Well, as I'm walking, the zippers were slowly going down and the camera just flipped out the back of it. So next time I'll undo the camera and the lens, put them both in, and zip it all the way. And I may even tie the zipper down to make sure. I don't know if you can see this little squirrel. He's funny, he's got his legs up real high. Hello. The Paw Paw trail is off the concrete, but it's a wide enough trail that I believe somebody with a wheelchair that had all-terrain wheels on it would be able to make this trail. I'm no expert when it comes to wheelchairs, but it seems like it's wide enough and level enough with a few slopes in it to be able to make this trail. So that's good to know. Can you see it? The hawk. Wow, I see it. I just finished the Paw Paw trail in the Fred G. Bond Metro Park. The Paw Paw trail is probably the best one for me. I don't like concrete, I don't like crowds. There were no crowds, and it was a well-maintained trail, easy to access. I went ahead and walked another area that was not on the trail, but just walked around Bond Park so I could complete the park. And the whole total thing I did was 2.7 miles. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you on my next adventure.